Hey guys, welcome to another video. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, I'll fix it. Okay, um, how do you fix your stuck controller? Mine works now because it's so simple. Okay, okay, just hold down, hold down like this. You'll get it. But I know it's a little bit stubborn for you guys. Not gonna lie. I know it's gonna be stubborn. Do it for at least 5 times. If it doesn't work, my method is I just wait a few minutes. And also, keep pushing on the arrow. See right here. Yeah, it's mine is all, yeah. You just do that. Yes. Yeah, this back is kind of hard for these controllers. If you have the same controller, you probably know. Not gonna lie. These backs kind of hard. I didn't really damage the controller. You see, yeah. Probably gonna clean this controller too. This is just like a thing. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. These controllers, if it doesn't work, keep trying, and also keep holding the arrow. If it doesn't work, um, give up for a few minutes or seconds and try again. Then it might work. So, yeah, that's the video, and yes, peace.